People like sunshine, people like Halloween, people like mustard, people like being clean, people like pajamas, cotton, flannel, satin, or silk. Oh sure, people like that, but still from Baltimore to Brazil, people really like milk. People like flowers, people like fire trucks, people like Chewbacca, people like feeding ducks, people like watching other people dressed as Uncle Sam on stilts. Oh sure, people like that, but still from Washington to Wasilla, people really like a milk. Cold milk, whole milk, unless you're talking old milk, people gonna drink it up. They put it in a bowl with the cereal, they pop a drop into their coffee cup. Bloop. People like humming, people like whistling, people like guitar solos, hot milk, got milk. I hope you got a lot of milk, 'cause I might want to drink some too. Scientifically speaking, it's a drink worth drinking from a big thing that says moo. People like talking, people like riding bikes, people like liking all of the various things that they like. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. People like Scotland, where all of the fellers wear kilts. Oh sure, people like that, but still from Aberdeen to Argyll. You ain't seen nothing until you seen they can't get their fill, and they sure never will. People really like milk.